In this video, we will be learning associative property, commutative property, and distributive property. By the end of this video, you will know how to use all three of these math concepts, and you will know the difference. Examples of associative property. You can do associative property with addition or multiplication. Associative property is practically adding brackets. We will be starting with the addition. So, for all of these, you have to start with inside the brackets. So we're going to start inside the brackets. So 8 plus 13 equals 21. So I'm going to write 21 over here. And then you just add the other ones. Now we have to go from left to right. So 21 plus 4 equals 25. And now we have to add 25 plus 3, so that's 28. So that would have been the same as just doing 8 plus 13 plus 4 plus 3, because 8 plus 13 equals 21, plus 4 equals 25, plus 3 equals 28. So it would have been the same. Now we're going to do the multiplication. So we have to start with inside the brackets. So 5 times 6 equals 30. So 30 and then times 4. 4 times 30 equals 120. So that still would have been the same as just doing 4 times 5 times 6. So, I'll show you. 4 times 5 times 6. 4 times 5 equals 20. 20 times 6 equals 120. Examples of commutative property. The commutative property uses addition and multiplication. Commutative property is just changing around the placement of the number. We will start with the first half. So 12 plus 3 plus 8. So 12 plus 3 equals 15 plus 8. 15 plus 8 equals 23. 23. Now let's try the next half. So, to see if they're the same. 3 plus 12 equals 15. Plus 8. 15 plus 8 equals 23. So no matter where the numbers go, that doesn't change the amount that it will come out to. If you look closely, I changed the 12 and the 3 for the next one, so then it was the 3 and the 12. Now we're doing the commutative property with multiplication. So we're going to start with the first half again. So 8 times 3 equals 24. And 24 times 5 equals 120. Now we're going to do the other half. So 3 times 5 times 8. 3 times 5 equals 15. 15 times 8 equals 120. So I changed the numbers, these two, and those ones, and they still came out to the same answer. So that's commutative property. Examples of distributive property. You can use distributive property for addition and subtraction. Distributive property is distributing, this number. So by doing that, you do 5 times 7, so that would be like here, and 5 times 8, like you did there. So we're going to find the answer for that. So 5 times 7 equals 35, plus 5 times 8 equals 40. 35 plus 40 equals 75. The difference in between associative property, commutative property, and distributive property. Associative property, you associate the numbers, so you group up the numbers. Commutative property is just changing the place of each number. So if you had 28 plus 13 plus 6, you could do 13 plus 6 plus 28. Distributive property. Distributive property is distributing the number. So if you had 5 times 9 plus 3, it would be the same as doing 5 times 9 plus 5 times 3. What we have learned. We have learned the difference of associative property, commutative property, and distributive property. We have also learned how to use each of them.